Hey everyone, welcome back to Rocking Support YouTube channel. If you're just starting with Python or you're tired of using idle or online compilers, then Visual Studio Code is probably the best free editor you can use in 2026. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to properly set up and run Python code inside Visual Studio Code on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Even if you've tried before and it didn't work, stick around because we'll fix the most common problems people face. Let's get started. Open your favorite web browser. Then type on the URL search bar Python download. Click on Download Python Install Manager. Download started. Download completed. Now start installation. Click on Install Python button. Finally start installation. Press Y. Again press Y. Press Y. Press Y. Now check Python version. Then run simple hello world Python program. Then run simple hello world Python program. Now download and install Visual Studio Code Editor. Download completed. Start installation VS Code. Click Next button. Click Next button. Finally click on Install button. Create project folder. Install Python extension. If everything worked, drop a like and write in the comments Python VS Code working. If something is still not working, write your exact error message below and I or someone in the community will try to help. Thanks so much for watching.